India Today has accessed the latest visuals of late actor Sushant Singh Rajput with his family now. These are the visuals from the month of January when Sushant celebrated his birthday with his family in January this year. Sushant is seen singing along with his sister. The video of family singing together is from 21st of January, which is Sushant Singh Rajput's birthday. Sushant was with his family in Chandigarh when his sister shot this particular video of a happy and smiling Sushant Singh Rajput driving his car. In another memorable moment, Sushant is seen singing a devotional song with his family in Chandigarh. Heartwarming video right there on your screens is the video that is flashing. So there you go, you can be singing a memorable song right there as well. These are exclusive visuals of the actor with his family accessed by India Today. Joining us with the very latest. Remember, Anjana is the one who has been able to access all the called records. She's on top of the story, getting us up to speed with the very latest. Throwing straight across to you, Anjana. These are exclusive visuals that we've accessed from 21st of Jan in Chandigarh. And just look at the heartwarming visuals across our screens. What do you make of these visuals? He's enjoying having a great time with his family right there, Anjana.
Absolutely, Chaiti. And these are all visuals of videos that were been made in-house. So within the family, by the family and for the family, these visuals and these videos were supposed to be kept. Because the family, in spite of the fact that this case has become such a national outcry, they try and they have always maintained that they don't want to come into the public and they don't want to answer questions or they don't want to give interviews. They want the courts to once and forever, settle the jurisdiction. They just keep saying, we want to know the truth. Our closure lies in knowing the truth. But these videos have just been put forth so that people can get a glimpse of what Sushant Singh Rajput was in January this year. These are videos of January 2020 when he was in Panchkula with his sister for the period of Jan 20th to 24th. 21st January is his birthday and Sushant had come by car to celebrate his birthday with his sisters. Not just Rani, the elder sister, but Meetu, also the close sisters that he was to. They had all come here. The family was, in a way, together here with the sisters all celebrating. And you listen to this lovely, soulful bhajan that Sushant Singh Rajput is singing. There are videos of him driving the car, having fun. There are videos of him playing cricket here. And there are also videos of him, having fun in the family and then discussing the cricket game within the house. So these just give you a glimpse.
Anjana, for a layman to look at these visuals, it looks like he was a happy person. It looks like there was really nothing wrong with his life, to be very honest, for a layman. But, for somebody who follows mental health very closely and he's been accused of suffering from bipolar disorder and depression as well. So it is possible to have this kind of a yo-yo when you are mentally not well as well. Not drawing any conjectures at the moment at all, but what is the sense that you're picking up from his near and dear ones about the state of mind that he was in right before his death, Anjana?
Very interesting that you raise this question, because everything that comes forth is actually, this question is immediately asked after that. It is very important to note that we have to yet wait for the psychiatrist to come forward with such a report, which is heavily being used by media, calling him bipolar. I don't think any psychiatrist has this, medically or professionally, this freedom to come forth and whatever the analysis or the prescription that he's given for a particular patient. So no psychiatrist associated with Sushant Singh Rajput has come out openly, Chaiti, and said that this is bipolar. There have been social media reports, but we have not come across. Off the record, if you talk to them, they might tell you that he was suffering from certain disorders. The point here is that this is what the family saw. This is what the family felt, and this is what they want to know. They feel that was he under some influence, and if he was, then we need to know the truth. Nobody is questioning. We all know that if it was a mental disorder, we all have to be very sensitive and we have to keep in mind that there can be a polarity of behavior. That is taken into consideration.
Yes.
But this is what the family shows. And you have to wait for a psychiatrist to, officially come. And if they have given their reports to Mumbai police or to Bihar police or to the CBI, that is also maybe over a period of time going to come in the public space. But as of now, I think we should...
And Anjana, I'm not aware how the doctor-patient confidentiality agreement really works and whether the psychiatrist is at the liberty to even reveal these kind of details to the media, perhaps to the police, maybe in the statement that they end up recording. I'm going to come to you on that question. Anjana, you stay with us right there. For our viewers who have just tuned in, Anjana has accessed these videos. On the basis of this video, the family is now in shock. They wonder what was wrong with Sushant if he was the way he was in the month of January. In fact, listen in to him singing. We go back to Anjana after that.
Hi, Gulshan.
इस लड़की का नाम जानता है?
नहीं गुलशन, इन्हें लिखवा रखा है। क्यों लिखवा के रखा है?
All right, those were the visuals that Anjana has accessed exclusively here on India Today and for Aaj Tak as well. Anjana Om Kashyap still continues to be live with us. And Anjana, what you're saying is absolutely true, because the family, after seeing this, is going to always wonder what was wrong with our son, what was wrong with Sushant, what was wrong with our family member who enjoyed such great moments with us in January this year itself. And we're talking about 2020, we're not even talking about 5 years ago. Fact of the matter is, when it comes to the psychiatrist, the disclosure is going to never happen because of the patient and the doctor confidentiality agreement as well.
Absolutely. And Chaiti, this is what I was pointing out to you earlier. The point is that a psychiatrist and the kind of treatment, because, especially in a country like India, there's so much of stigma attached to mental illness. People don't want to talk about it. People don't admit about it. So these are very, very sensitive issues still in this country. And we need to be very careful when you're treading on that land. Now, the psychiatrists usually do not reveal such things. And that is why, in spite of the fact that we, our various reporters and bureaus have been trying to get in touch with them, what is as of now told to us is that whatever was the diagnosis or whatever was their treatment, they have actually given the records to Mumbai police or for the investigation. So we'll have to wait for that. Now, the only point that the family puts forth is this, that the entire house and the sisters and the family was seeing this part of Sushant, when he was with them. And what really baffles them is that every time he was back in Mumbai, why were things absolutely upturned, and why would he call them from there and then say, I need help, I need to come to you? And remember, I told you before also in our lives that he had driven down, in a car to this place because he said, I'm feeling claustrophobic. So the parents, the siblings, the sisters, the husband of the sister, they all knew that there was some pressure there, that was actually, because in these 4 days they had not witnessed any single such issue. That is why they felt that just let him be with us. This is their, entire contention. That we did see what is happening, but we did know what he was with us. Every time he was going back there, things were going wrong. Then why keep him away from us? This is what they keep asking. And they say, we want to know the truth. That's it.
And this is very interesting, Anjana, because this is something that can turn the tables on the methodology of the investigation, because this is an electronic evidence that we have, and it is very natural for the family to now wonder, after him seeing like this and then not wanting to come and meet them, and every time he went back to Bombay, something terribly goes wrong. And absolutely, we're not drawing conjectures, but it is for all to see as we're reporting facts as they are. Anjana, continue to stay with us.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.